Looks like we had some visitors last night.
So here we parked on, we've kind of driven around the other side of the waterfall of Cascadas Basasiachi, and found this great little campsite here on this river. As you can see, there's a bunch of clothes hanging behind us. So we don't have running water, and so we, a little embarrassing, but whenever we get to a river or something like that, we try to take advantage of it. We wash our dishes, maybe wash our hair, wash our clothes, maybe wash the van. And yesterday we got here and it was, only about 3 o'clock after hiking around the waterfall, and we figured we'd do some laundry. And last night it got real cold, and now all of the clothes are frozen solid, and they didn't dry really at all last night, but hopefully the sun will be up here in a minute, and we'll start drying our stuff. A little frozen.
Anybody home?
Yeah. Nice and starchy this morning, huh?
Starchy.
Holy. That is crazy, man.
Cold night last night, eh?
See, they're melted by the time we get back. So like usual, we got up, did a little workout. Lindsay made brekkie, got our coffee. We always find in a cold morning like this, it's always better to, go for a little walk instead of just sitting in the van and try to stay warm. It's better to get out there and see this beautiful forest, which is really nice. The creek is really beautiful. Forest is really nice. See where we go. The ground's crunchy.
Today we are leaving the Basasiachi area. We're headed towards San Juanito. It's going to be another beautiful windy road. Everything we've heard indicates that the road actually has recently been repaved, so hopefully we won't be dealing with potholes or anything like that. But yeah, it's going to be a beautiful windy road. San Juanito is about 2 hours from there, and then Creel, which was our kind of main destination here in the Barrancas, is maybe another hour past that. So we might even make it to Creel today. You never know. Videos never do these things justice, but that hill is steeper than it looks. We're gonna hit the back there.
this spot yet.
Maybe it doesn't really get any.
Yeah.
That's probably why it's still a little icy. That's crazy. Man, icy roads in Mexico. Who would have thunk it?
Ooh.
Ooh, that is a treacherous corner. Decent braking. Rugged terrains, holding the road.
So it's really icy here and we're kind of coming downhill to a turn. So Braden's gonna go real slow and I'm gonna film from the outside.
Man, my stomach dropped coming around that corner and we slid a little bit on that ice. And then you saw the hill go down. It was like shades of Saline Valley all over again. But that is why we have learned over the years, Lens, decent tires are a worthwhile investment, and here's some more ice. Oh, that's no big deal. No big deal. This is a crazy drive, man. I did not expect to see so much ice and snow all over the road. Like here, we just passed another patch of ice. It's like on all the shady spots. It's icy and snowy. It's crazy. I did not expect this, man. I knew it was high elevation down here in near the Broncos. Look at this hill. Holy moly. Come on, rugged terrains. Grip, unreal.
Gracias a Dios para los frenos nuevos, ¿no?
And the new brakes, yeah, totally. All right. Yeah.
I gotta say, I'm so over this goddamn cold weather. We're in Mexico. I'm so over it.
You guys are throwing sand on the road.
Road maintenance, holy moly. Muchas gracias!
So we found this cool little spot just outside of San Juanito, which is like 30 kilometers north of Creel. Anyway, there's a river here that leads to Presa, some of our favorite places to camp are Presas. We went for a walk down the river and there's a really nice spot over there, big flat wide area, but we have to cross the river to get there. Should be okay. We got lots of clearance. It's not very high, so we're gonna go cross the river.